In this video, I'm going to go through the process of setting up an outage report from OpenPoint Web. An outage report is a term that OpenPoint uses to describe a record of an outage for a single customer. These can be great for entering a customer's outage call with ease. To start, we will need to make sure that you're logged into your OpenPoint website and click on the 3 lines menu button. Then, navigate over to the Outage Reports screen. Once here, we have 2 options for creating reports. We can either click here in the card where it says Report Customer Outage, or we can click on the orange circle in the bottom right. Click whichever is easier for you, and it'll open up a new page for creating reports. The first step when adding a report is to find the customer that we're looking for. As you can see here, we have several different fields that we can fill out. Keep in mind that you don't have to fill every field, but filling out more of them can help refine the search even more. We can use their house number, their street, unit number, service phone number, and contact name. I'm looking for Ivy Kaufman, who should be at 3210 Mason Avenue. Let's enter that and see what we get when I hit Find Customer. Here we go, 2 results. I'm looking for Ivy, and this name and address match everything that I was looking for, so let's click on her. Ivy's contact information is already in the system and populated for this outage report automatically as well. But if you'd like to change the contact information and select whether she would like a call, text, or email back when the outage is resolved, here's where we can do that. Another thing we can do is set a reason for the outage as well. Say the customer saw a service wire down and heard a boom. We can click on them to let the crew know what to look out for when they're going to fix the event. Now, we need to tie it to an outage event. An outage event is a term that we use to describe a single event that caused an outage for one or more customers. There are currently no outage events active in the system, which is why it says outage event auto-assigned. If we mouse over, we can click Change Outage Event to select a specific event to tie it to, or create a new event if you'd like. Finally, in the right box, we can see the last resolved outage report for this customer. This can be useful to identify if the outage may have actually been recently resolved. Finally, we just hit Save. When we do so, it'll take us back to the search screen so we can take another call if needed. Also, the outage map will automatically be updated with the new outage report, and all utility employees will automatically be notified. Creating an outage report is as easy as that.